was all mine. Trouble, turn 3. Get through that, McQueen.
Oh, a huge crash behind the leaders. Wait a second, Darrell. McQueen is in the wreckage.
There's no way the rookie can make it through. Not in one piece, that is. Look at that! McQueen made it through!
Man, a spectacular move by Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, good job!